Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Kavitsi Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope everybody's weekend is off to a wonderful start. I'm currently in New York City still, dog sitting for a friend. You might see my napping cameraman, Clint and Pax in the background, as well as my puppy, Donatello. The Cardano developers have been hard at work, so today I have a real quick dev update for you, as well as some stats for all of you number nerds. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the tweet. Input Output Global, the research and development arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, "Another week, another Cardano development update, now live on Essential Cardano. Check this week's highlights and get the latest on core technology, scaling, Voltaire, Catalyst, and education." So let's dive in to this week's key highlights. Progress made on Leo's prototyping and SIP Cardano Improvement Proposal creation. The Hydra team focuses on the partial commit feature and Glacier drop support. A new constitutional committee has been elected. Fund 14 community review stage in progress. Preparations are ongoing for the Cardano Days event in Wyoming. Now let's dive into more detail on what each dev team has been up to. Core technology. The consensus and the site reliability engineering teams have been focused on advancing the integration of LSM trees and improving the Cardano environments respectively. In my opinion, most notably this week was on the Hydra team. They're really working to scale the blockchain. Scaling. The Hydra team has been focused on delivering fixes and user-requested features while looking ahead at prioritizing high-impact improvements. Another feature that sets Cardano from the rest is governance. Voltaire. We're calling on all DREPs, delegated representatives, and SPOs, stake pool operators, to participate in the governance action, which will expire on September 2nd. Catalyst. Fund 14 is well underway. It's community innovation and decision-making in action. Education. The education team needs your feedback on the launch of Mastering Cardano's ebook. And for anyone attending the Wyoming Blockchain Stampede, the education team will be hosting a 2-day in-person Cardano Days event. So if you want to be more involved, the education team and Project Catalyst are 2 ways to plug in. In other news, BlockSign has officially obtained ISO 27001-2002 certification, becoming the first Cardano-based company to reach this milestone. ADA and CMT's Cardano native tokens can now be transferred directly inside Unreal Engine 5, which is used in more than 100 games. This is super groundbreaking for wider adoption of Cardano and gaming in the Web3 space. Yesterday, I did a video on that. If you want to learn more, I'll link it up above. Nominations are now open for the Cardano Summit Awards 2025. ADA Handle has partnered with 14 major Cardano projects for their HAL NFT minting experience. Alright, now for this week's stats. 2008 projects building. 1.34 million delegated wallets. 10.89 million native tokens. 220,275 token policies, 141,928 Plutus scripts, 112.98 million transactions, 1,449 DREPs, delegated representatives, and 320 GitHub commits. So I want to congratulate all the Cardano developers for all your hard work so far. The best is yet to come, and it's already starting to pay off. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. How are you feeling right now about Cardano, and what else does the ecosystem need? Let me know your thoughts. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends with this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!